Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Yesterday the Australian dollar bears gathered in a great many numbers as the bulls took the challenge upon the region of 72.35.65. However, after the market posted an intraday high of 72.35, which is where the resistance is that I'm looking at 72.35.65 or supply zone, is the market fell quite heavily, and from there re-establishes the view back to 71.40.60. Now a break beneath this level would give further indication to the bearish case, and I do expect to see the market look towards the region of 69.40.80 as an objective if we see a break and close under 71.40. If by chance we do see any renewed rallies, then the market should find resistance around 72.35 to 72.65 once again. Very interesting price action overnight for the euro, as the European session took the market lower and posted a low of 115.30. But on the flip side, the dollar index, which measures a greenback strength against a trade-weighted basket of 6 major currencies, with the euro weighted at 57.6, chalked up a healthy rally to post a high of 95.66, which is seen as the resistance, and from the rebound from 94.46 still keeps the bulls in check for further tests for the US dollar to rally. Therefore, this would see the euro pressure the downside. Now, we did take out the level of 115.60 overnight, which now gives further exposure towards this region. At present, at 114.15.40. Resistance on the day seen at 116.25. The dollar yen is tiptoeing towards this level of 111.80.90. With the technical implications still not fully bullish, I don't really have a view at these levels, although we could still see a market push higher. But technically, for what I'm viewing, is that a failure could be brewing in the background if it challenges the 111.80.90 level. Purely for the fact is that the longer term pattern is breaking down and also does give little conviction to the upside support because of the trading sideways for the last few days now. Support though comes in at 110.75.85. If you are long, I do view raising your stop losses according to your risk management in case we do get a strong rejection from the 111.80 region. The pound is trickling lower, and also at this point, with little update of the Brexit, is that the market is now looking for a little bit of a direction. But overnight, we did get the Bank of England's inflationary hearing. The Bank of England, Mark Carney's words didn't, though, affect the market expectations and offered no surprise. But nevertheless, the market is still relatively bearish since the rejection from 130.40.60 downtrend. With the support crushed at 128.45, now gives further room for a challenge towards this region that was rejected at 126.60.65. The technical implications also support this move. Therefore, any rallies towards 128.85 to 129.5 should fail. Unfortunately, my view on gold, as I've been stopped out after the market did push underneath the 92 level. Now, if you notice here that this resistant line is now support and drops to 1,178. So therefore could see a challenge towards this region. But at present, I am neutral and I would like to reassess at these levels and see how the market plays out. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market clearly stabbed at that 70-71 level and clearly didn't like it. With the resistance looking like we've seen a rejection from where the bears are harboring, could see a view back to 68.90. Now, a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target to that 67.10 trigger level. A break beneath there would give further risk to the downside and actually could see a plummet towards the 62 region. But one stage at a time, we do first of all need confirmation from the bearish outside range day. A close under 68.90 would confirm this, and that would give the $67 a barrel target confirmed. So let's see how the market plays in the next 12 to 24 hours. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.